Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how you can replace Toyota Corolla cars rear ABS systems this sensor, and this is like rear feel sensor what sensors and controls this feel movement, and this is really feel nut, and soon I will show that how we replace that sensor. Okay, and next step for that job is that we go in that back area in here, and there are connector what I have to open, and then I need to also open 4 bolts. Okay, and now when we are looking in this back area, first step is to open this connector, and after that there is 4 bolts what we need to open in here. And let's go to look these bolts closer. Okay, and there is really this connector, and now I go to open that, and this part opens so that firstly there is this protective cover, that one what we have to remove, and then we have to compress this up area in here in that way and pull out. The idea is compress this part in here, and if we have pliers we carefully bend that area, this area in this way. This is this trick, and this is tight part, but in this way we pull out this connector. This is this trick. Okay, and now this connector is free, and we install that little bit far away, and then we have next things to open in here. Okay, and then we need 12mm socket what fits in this bolt in up, and also in here down all of these 4 bolts in here in that look. And there is 4 bolts what I need to first next open, and I take my socket and wrench. Okay, and now I open these bolts. There is my socket and my driver, and there is bolt what looks like that, and 4 of these, and these are easy to open. Okay, excellent. And then in here this 4th one is in here, and this is already, I took that away. Good. And now all bolts are free, and then we can go to look other side. Okay, and now when bolts are free, I can take my hands in here, and this part normally opens quite easily, but now it's stuck and I need my hammer. Okay, and I can firstly try like easy rubber. Okay, now this full parts opens, and this is really this part what we need to replace totally. And there is really this bearing and sensor. Okay, and this ABS sensor, it is really inside in here, and in that back area we can see that we have to replace all these parts if this our sensor is bad in here. Okay, that kind of information to you, and this is not so difficult job, and we can get these old parts really from this recycle car storage and ebay.com. And it is important that when we purchase this used car, that there is low mileage, about 100,000 miles or less. Okay, thank you for watching that video.